Ladies and gentlemen, these birds you're seeing here, I started them off as day-old chicks. Originally, they were 59. I hatched them from my own chicken, pure kienyeji chicken, and I used jerry cans for brooding. I brooded the eggs, so that means that the hens were brooding on the eggs using jerry cans. And I've been telling people that you can always start small. With such a project, it's small, but the good thing with chicken is that they multiply very fast. So this was day one when they were hatched. I hatched the first batch, 19 chicks. And those you are seeing there are jerry cans which have eggs. Mother hens are brooding inside there. So a week later, I hatched other chicks. Another week, other chicks. So the chicks added together totaled 55, 59. Right now, I think they are about, currently they are 50. And here they are growing very well at week 6 for the older ones, week 7 for the older ones, but others are still young there. As you can see, others are like 4 weeks, others are 5 weeks. So this is a project that I did slowly by slowly, and always tell people that chickens multiply very fast. Chickens multiply very fast. Apart from rabbits, chicken multiply very fast. And if you have if you have a project you want to start chicken farming, I can assist you, I can help you, and you can do such a project. And it's a source of livelihood for many people. You can gain returns from here, or you can keep them for domestic use. You don't have to keep them for sale, but you can also keep them for domestic use. It can be a source of business for so many people. There are youths over there who are looking for a source of income. They are stay-at-home moms and dads looking for something to do. We have people working and looking for side hustle. We have people who are out of jobs and you have a small structure there. Just keep something small in your backyard. Some people might ask, what do they feed on? Yes, feed intake takes the lion's share. But what I normally do is that I buy feeds from the shop, just small quantities, 10 kilos, 20 kilos. Once it's through, I buy another batch of feeds.